Alright, we got the starter relay. Got that last night with a bunch of other sweet stuff. I think I saved myself 50% over eBay, at least. Got a lot of good knowledge out of my new buddy Larry. He's a Goldwing aficionado for sure. He knows his stuff. Got piles of stuff too, so little stockpile when I need stuff. Although he knows the prices. Gotta give him credit. Barely got I think I got 10% out of him. Anyway, he's got a lot of good stuff, a lot of good stories, a lot of good advice. So anyway, here we go. I'm excited. I got some gas in it. I was trying to start it last night, but I had the gas off. It was pitch black. I couldn't see anything, and it was raining. So give me a break. Good. Sounding good. Holy moly. Let's choke. Digital dash, neutral, speedome's working, high beam's working, turn signal, yes sir. Other way, yep. Holy shit, that's pretty loud. Well, that sounds pretty damn good. No knocking at all. Nothing. No piston slappy. Headlight cool. Wow. No drama at all. And look at there, the clock's working too. These things are worth $1 million on eBay. Our crappy old 1985 clock. What else we got here? That's no good. Choke. Not sure if 980's the. I'm gonna go look that up in my free Chilton's manual, or it's Haynes, I can't remember. PDF. Got it somewhere. Well, this is very promising. Holy Moses. No drama at all. The idle sounds a bit low. I can do that if I want, but it's not connected. Holy shit, $400 bike. I bought $200 worth of parts there last night. So I know for sure she needs a two tires and a back caliper for sure. Maybe pads. Maybe I'm gonna get away with this deal pretty cheap. I don't know how long to let it run. You can do this. See if the brakes work. Have to check that later, see if they work. Do the front brake. Speck of smoke coming out of there. Freaking amazing. Only smells a touch rich, that's all. Holy crap. That's friggin' amazing. They made these buggers last. Holy crap. Totally amazing. Well, I got the go ahead now. Tires. Front calipers look okay, they measured out. Back one's gouged, need a new one. Got one in the trunk. Actually, I'll go get all that crap and lay it out, and we'll see what we can do with it. Yahoo! So I picked up the rear disc brake. It's got about 50% life left on it. A little bit of a unevenness, but I think that's okay. Got a little mic to go with it to measure stuff, 20 bucks or so. And these third set of floorboards that go on my crash bars. So I'll be riding down the highway in style. It's gonna take a little fiddling to get this on. It looks like these got to come off first. I think I get some covering for those. Maybe some AstroTurf, just go in style. But anyway, looking good. Lack of drama, like I said. She runs perfect. Oh yeah, coolant's really low. I don't know how much is in it at all. I gotta check that. But wouldn't hurt for a little run. So tires, battery, rear caliper, it's on the way. I'm going Sunday to get that. On my way up north for to get them other bikes. That was the plan A, if you recall, the introduction to all this nonsense. But you got to strike when the iron's hot. So got me a gold wing. I'm probably going to get it on the road, even though it's getting late in Canada and the snow's coming. Maybe in a month, I guess. Yeah, maybe a little more. It'll be cold though. Bloody cold. There'll be ice on the roads. You got to watch that. All right. All good.